Ever found yourself abroad, trying to pay for something, and realize your favorite local payment app is suddenly useless? It's a common travel woe, especially in our increasingly cashless world. We rely so heavily on these convenient digital wallets for everything from our morning coffee to our ride home. So, if you're a regular Grab user, a question likely pops into your head when planning a trip outside your home country: can I use my GrabPay app in other countries? It's a fantastic question, and the answer, like with many things in the world of digital payments, isn't a simple yes or no. Grab is a powerhouse in Southeast Asia, dominating the ride-hailing, food delivery, and indeed, payment landscapes. Naturally, their GrabPay wallet is incredibly popular and widely accepted within the region. You'll find it seamless to use GrabPay for rides, food, and in-store purchases in countries like Singapore, Malaysia, Indonesia, the Philippines, Thailand, and Vietnam. Within these core markets, your GrabPay wallet generally functions just as it would at home, allowing you to pay with your linked cards or your GrabPay balance. However, the international part gets a bit more nuanced. While Grab itself, as a super app, offers services in various countries, the GrabPay wallet specifically has limitations when it comes to cross-border usage for general payments. Think of it this way: your Grab app knows where you are, and it will adapt to show you local services. But your GrabPay wallet balance is typically tied to the currency of your registered Grab account and country of origin. For example, if your GrabPay wallet is primarily in Malaysian ringgit, MYR, you generally won't be able to directly use that MYR balance to pay for a coffee in Singapore, where the currency is SGD. The good news is that if you have a credit or debit card linked to your GrabPay account, you can often use that card to pay for Grab services, like rides or food delivery, in other supported Grab countries. The app will simply process the payment through your linked card, and your bank will handle the currency conversion, though be mindful of any foreign transaction fees your bank might impose. There are also specific functionalities, like Ride Abroad, where Grab has enabled cross-border ride bookings in certain regions beyond Southeast Asia, such as Japan and some Middle Eastern cities. For these, you'll typically need to have your GrabPay wallet set up and verified before you travel, and ensure it has sufficient balance, as topping up your GrabPay wallet while abroad might be restricted unless you have a virtual GrabPay MasterCard. The key takeaway is this: while the Grab app itself is designed for regional use and some international services, the GrabPay wallet is primarily for transactions within its core Southeast Asian markets and the currency of your GrabPay wallet. For payments outside these specific GrabPay-supported countries or for general merchant purchases, it's best to rely on your linked credit/debit cards or local payment methods. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.